So this is the video getting out of the car. Let's see how this one works. Jesus defense all around me every day. What a thorn? Oh hell no. See, they was stepping on no damn thorns. Ain't that kind of 40? I quit about that lady Jeep.
What did you do? Listen to the radio or something? What you park the car at?
By the red Jeep. Mr. Williams' side was high too.
Was the red Jeep side high?
No, that's why I put it over there. Here go the keys. Praise the Lord. Stinking. My stomach hurts. Oh, it stinks. The sewage. See my sidewalk taken up by the water, by the sewer. That's the hood for you. Let me go before I hear some more thunder and lightning try to get me. That fire! You left the phone on the couch.
What?
You know that, right? You left your phone on the couch. Give me that towel.
That's Auntie Gwen. She's all excited.
About what?
It's flooded up there.
Oh, I thought
They closed up Walmart and everywhere.
it's flood?
Hotels.
The hotels?
Up there. You know, on that strip where Walmart is.
Yep. How they get flooded?
You said they're showing it on TV.
I'm gonna go.
Hollywood's dirtiest secrets revealed.
Both socks booty. What's a big old dog?
That's Mama Duke. I want to see that.
His name Marmaduke? His name fits him.
Auntie Deborah had a dog named Duke.
Why is he that big?
No, his name was Gino.
What kind of dog was that? That wasn't no
Great Dane.
That was a Great Dane. I'm used to seeing Great Danes as black. Basketball shorts, what? Glasses. It's a mess. Turn my fan off in my room. Put some on watch feet. Glad I have a do-rag. These dreads wet. It's over. It's over with. It's over, me. Y'all in my room. Turn this fan off, cause fans and men wet just don't go together. It felt so good. It felt so good. I got mail. Nah. Let me thing, y'all. Alright, YouTube. I'll let y'all later. Bye.